finally will be driving this car, just waiting for the driver. Okay, so we'll be following this car. As you can see, this will be the car ahead of us. We'll be following this, I'll be driving this. A few of them will be sitting here. How do you open the door? That's how you open the door. Wow, look at the interior. Wow.
So this is the indicators.
Yeah, okay.
We'll go to the under long tunnels.
Okay.
Then you need to turn the headlight.
Okay.
Yeah. And this guy's a 5-speed shift
Okay, perfect.
and hazard light.
Okay, perfect,
Yeah.
perfect.
And you usually drive right side car.
Yeah, no, I usually drive left.
Ah, okay.
But
Yeah.
I've driven right side car in Tokyo.
Oh, right.
I've driven the GTR 35 and then R34.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Yeah, right.
So I'm familiar to this one. Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna go
I'm gonna
together.
follow. Yeah,
to the three
perfect.
cars. Yeah.
Sure, perfect. Excited. Oh, we're gonna following this one, guy. Oh. Whoa. Wow. Wow, man, I'm loving it. Oops. Man, this is like a dream come true. There we have the GTR as well in midnight purple. We're all gonna be driving together. Okay. Whoa! That's a pretty 6X. It's just sound in it. Wow. I'm driving the RX-7 real side, but it was in the Mr. Jairo car studio. So they rented me for an hour. So it was my dream to drive this after seeing this car in Too Fast, Too Furious. So since then it was my dream to drive this car, and now that I'm in Japan and I saw this car, I was like, why not? Why not? So I mean, it's a good experience, even if it's just for 1 hour, but at least I get to drive this car. I experience the drive, and it's in manual as well, so I love manual. Let's go, let's go, let's go. for a picture.
You want to take a picture with this 86 or just your car?
Any car is fine. Both cars is also fine.
오케이, 자, 3대2